How to add a single mode widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Then we go down and tap on widgets. In here, scroll down, then tap on modes and routines. After that, drag on a single mode widget and drop it to your home screen and let go. Here, tap anywhere to save the changes. So here you can tap on that mod to quickly turn on or switch off a particular selected mod. To delete the mod, you can touch and hold onto that and then tap on remove. To make any changes, you can tap on settings, and here you can select a different mode. So we've got the sleep mode in here. We can tap on OK, tap on start, tap on next. So in here you can customize your mode, what to do with it in that particular mode. And here you can change the background color. You can set it to match phone settings, light or dark, and you can also change the transparency of the mode. And that's it. Then tap on saved. So here we can remove the mod by simply touch and hold onto that. From the pop-up, tap on removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.